Alright, what's good, baby? Going up 245 today. I did some changes to the GSXR 1000. Adjusted the secondary throttle position sensor. From there, I then adjusted the idle. And then from there, I adjusted the throttle position sensor, the primary one. It still is interesting. I'm thinking GSXRs are just noisy. Anyway, I was going to talk to you guys about some things today. Definitely need to talk about upcoming like media. I gotta tell you guys about like what I'm releasing, the entertainment. That's a crash that just happened. Solid one for sure. Anyway. Yeah, the bike feels much more powerful today, boys. I might have fixed the issues. Anyway, upcoming media, let's talk about it. Because there's a lot of stuff. First and foremost, I'm going to be heading across the country on the H2 back. I'm going to camp. I bought all my camping gear. I don't really want to spend money and give money to hotels, so I'm gonna go with the whole camping route and freaking bring my sleeping bag and my sing-person tank. So that's the plan, Stan. Should be fun. Should be a blast. It's definitely gonna be really hard, and so that's why I want to do it. I was like, well, go across the country on the H2 is hard enough, but honestly, I've already done it, so I gotta up the ante and make it even harder. I'm camping, boys. So it'll be a fun little series. But anyway, once I'm doing that camping spree, I'm gonna have the footage from the H2 ride across the country re-edited and posted, so you guys can enjoy that, because I totally got rid of it. I privated all the videos because I wanted to do a little better edit. So I got this dope editor. He's real dope. I'll be introducing him soon enough. And he is also working on the whole MADMAXY Hustle series. It's getting redone, re-edited, reposted on Maxy's Daily Madness in a way and manner you've never seen it before. And it's going to continue, and there's no stopping that. So that's something to look forward to. We're also going to be editing the ride home videos from the H2, and then from there, who knows what MADMAXY YouTube has in store for it. But Maxy's Daily Madness is retelling the Hustle series, and it's going to be quite epic, to say the least. The engagement level on these new videos coming out on Maxy's Daily Madness is going to be next level. The move to Phoenix is going to be big. Have a lot of motorcycles out there, everything out there. Jane and I are going to be rebuilding the RV, and then I'm also trying to start this annual MADMAXY Apocalypse Fest, basically, and have it so people can come out to the 40 acres, and some people will be flown out. It's going to be somewhat of a private event, but I think I'm going to be making things like somewhat public too. We'll see. Hard to discuss the details without giving too much stuff away in what we're doing, because these ideas we're working with are kind of next level. So definitely nothing like it's been done. I think things have been attempted to do it, but I'm sure. I don't even know if you guys can hear me with all this wind. This bike is a heavy wind to the face motorcycle. We got to see if we can clutch up today, boys, with all the things that I did. Alright, let's see how this clutch up goes. It's close, dude. It's way better than it was yesterday, I know that much. Well, we're gonna find out with the head-to-head with G Money today. But yeah, I lost yesterday. I'd get the jump in first gear pretty good, and then it would kind of just, again, fall on its face. Are we pulling a Yui? No turn Siggy? Doesn't that thing have auto-enabling turn signals? The big thing is clutching up second. Yeah, no problemo. The bike's back to par. This Civic has some acceleration problems. We'll see if he does. Go Civic, go. Go Justin, go. I literally think there's a dead spot in the resistor. Like the secondary position sensor has a dead spot in it. And since it has a dead spot, it doesn't open the butterflies properly in that area. Because, I mean, it has to have like a perfectly good resistance across the board. Easy! Easy, Stefan! Alright, this guy, let's go. Alright, Stefan. Hey, you're going a little hard. You just gotta be on your toes. You gotta be easy on the bars. You gotta look through the corners and just be very smooth. You know, it's not about being fast or quick. It's about being just smooth overall. The more smooth you can do it, the better off you're gonna be. Alright, let me try it. Let me try a decent little wheelie here. Make sure my rear brake works. It does. It's perfect. In textbook. You can't even get that, like, even on the S1000, you don't get that kind of smooth power band that just gives that evenly across it. It's a very, like, smooth power, like, very even. Whereas, like, the S1000 and the H2, they just get, like, intensely more powerful towards the top, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's all working. It's a dream. It's a little choppy there. Guys, don't ride like this. Don't just try this. This isn't cool. This is just the way I ride this road. I've ridden it a million times. I know it like the back of my hand. I'm not going all out by any means. I don't want to endorse this kind of riding. It's basically a closed course, but I'm just, you know, enjoy the ride as it is. Don't try to do this at home. And if you are to ride a motorcycle, get an airbag vest, please. Save your life. I'm wearing an airbag vest, and that's what saves my life, so please. See me gunning it down these areas where I don't see any. I can't see ahead very far. I have to visually see pretty far ahead to gun it. I know if I can see over this hill that it's a good one to wheelie like this. But this one, again, I slow down, inspect again, looks good. This is normally a pretty soft turn for me, but I still will check it up. Look through the corner and follow through. Again, like a semi-truck could be on the other side of this, turning around or something dumb. I don't go smashing over these hills. I do hold back. But when I see out in the open like this, I am somewhat good to go and give it a little more throttle. Another very soft, smooth turn. again, you know, I'm very loose on the handlebars. I'm also on my toes on the pegs. Keep my butt back, lean it over. I'm guiding the bike. Take the inside on blind corners. Give the extra gap, especially here. And I remember there's rocks here from yesterday. If I would have just gone blowing into that, dude, I would have sailed right into that barbed wire. But I know what the road is like because I rode it yesterday. This is another corner that is very sketch and a lot of people crashing. It's called Harry Potter's lightning bolt. There's the rocks in the middle. Not only that, it curves even more. It's a decreasing radius turn. You know what decreasing radius is? You have, when you're doing these corners, for example, from there to the center of that circle of what it would be is the radius. And so if you have a decreasing radius, the turn's going to get sharper. This bike has no electronics, no ABS, no traction control. So it's very, you know, like I hit that rock there, but I was prepared and maintained my balance point. You want to keep that center of gravity as you're riding. So if you are to let go of the bike, it just slides out from under you and you do a little slide yourself. Ideally, today I would use my hands or my wrists, as well as my shoes. Now it's getting a little more technical. I don't have to necessarily be in the highest power band. I mean, if I want to make a cool video, yeah, you ride it like this. Get all theatrical with it, move your head around, act like it's all intense. Again, I'm analyzing these corners as I hit them because there's been a lot of rain out here in Cali. I do stuff like that, I'm like trying to dodge rocks. Alright, so I don't remember how long ago it was, but it was probably about a year ago that we picked up this MT-09, FZ-09, 2017, it's an FZ-09, for, I don't even remember, what was it, $2,600 from Garrett Lawrence, or Lawrence Garrett out of Oregon, dude. So shout out him. He hit me up. He's like, dude, you want this from insurance? And it wasn't even that bad. And I was like, yeah, literally I was like, Justin, you need your dream bike. And he hit me up, and I think Justin even test rode the MT-10 before he even hit me up, and was like, yeah, dude, that bike's dope. And then he hit me up, and it was just like a no-brainer. So it's done. It's finally complete. It's got a full titanium system. Oh. Yeah, nice. Do you know the modes? I know A modes probably goes nutty, huh? Alright. I mean, your guy, this is an angry bike, dude. Oh my god, it just sticks. Dude. You guys could probably hear that the whole time, huh? Retiring the gixxer for now. It had a good run. Yeah, once it quits leaking, and I fix the tumor on the side, add a windscreen, fix the front brake, you know, adjust the valves, clean the air filter, redo the tune, replace the rims. My man, delivering packages on a Wednesday. So yeah, the gixxer's leaking oil. On the starter cover, there is a crack on the engine there. So. I put JB Weld on. I need a JB more JB Weld. Dude, the gixxer is definitely full power mode though. I'd be so shocked if MT09 could do it. Rocks, squirrels, you name it, it's here. Yo, easy. This is not the best place to shred it. It might just be faster on the lower end. Because, I mean, I know I'll catch up to him, but it's like we don't have the space. She can carry. Definitely came a long way since yesterday, for sure.